Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This school bus ran a red light. Geez, the bell must ring in 30 seconds or something. You can't off-road with a base model, mate. Get a Cybertruck.
Did you see that? That Tesla drove straight over the curb here.
Oh, wow.
I'm wondering if...
What type of lane change is this?
have a lot of efficiency data available here, but in 1983, Joseph Keller compared an unspecified shaft drive with a single-speed chain and found a 7% difference in drive efficiency in the shaft. This was between 50 and 200 watts.
A few moments later.
You'll be surprised who the idiot here really is.
Bro.
No signal. Just when you thought it couldn't get any worse?
Hold up. Oh my God.
What happened here? That driver got lucky.
A few moments later.
I am a cyclist. The ambulance can wait for me. I feel like a Tesla should have an automatic red light sensor feature. This just hurts my brain to watch.
12 seconds later.
This truck must seriously think he is the only one on the road here. Now that's some road rage.
catch it. You got to catch up to him.
Wait for it. What a weird way to change lanes. Wait, am I the only one also confused by those line markings? Oh yeah, it's not even a lane. Wow.
Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
The only time I have sympathy for drivers is when they are both trying to go in the same lane, because sometimes it's just so hard to tell when you're cutting someone off. This is the most dramatic lane change I have seen this week. This driver will do anything to not miss their exit. Literally, just watch this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.